So the unboxing is not over yet, and we have one last item to unbox. I've been seeing these things from YouTubers. They are using these items for their vlogs. So I decided to buy one myself, and let's see how it will improve my background. So I have here the box from Amazon, and yet again this is the cheapest item that I found on Amazon. So let's unbox this. So I bought these RGB LED strip lights, RGB LED strip lights. It is non-waterproof with remote control. This is a 10-meter strip light, and I purchased this for only 1,299 yen. So it has the remote. This is the adapter, and we have two lights here. So I hope it covers the whole room, my whole room. And what do we have here? We have this wire, and they also have a user manual. So this strip lights is from CN Sunway Lighting. At the front part is the Japanese version, and on the back side is the English version, which I find it really helpful. There's more instructions and alcohol pad for disinfection use. There are 4 of these alcohol pads, and they also have a card, so you can get free products from cnsunwaylighting.com if you register in their website. I can't wait to see the result upon installing the strip lights. So as I was browsing the strip lights in the online, I was actually reminded of my experience way back in Takayama, because we used these lights once in their gimmick. So they have their gimmick, they have the night cable car, and you can see the stars, because actually my workplace is surrounded by mountains, so you can actually see the stars clearly. And I saw a shooting star when I was working that night, and it was really amazing to experience that certain event. I will be planning to stick these strip lights on top. So this 16.4 feet light strip has 2 female connectors and 1 male connector. So with the adapter, you will connect it to the male to female, and then this is where you will connect your strip lights. So the strip lights also have 1 male connector and 1 female connector, and this blue side is the tape, the sticky part. So when you install the strip lights, you just have to remove the blue part and stick it to the wall. Okay, so let's open the other one. Each of these is equal to 5 meters. As you can see, it has one female and one male connector. So the male connector of the adapter is connected to the female connector of this strip light connector, and then the other male connector is then connected to the strip light, to the female connector of the strip light. So this will be the setup, and then later the male part of this strip light will be connected to the female part of this strip light. So it will look like this. Okay, they will be connected later, and let's set this up now. Okay, so you can see that the first part is already lit up, and I am going to use these connectors because I'm going to place the strip lights horizontally. So I'm going to use these connectors. So this is the result after installing the LED lights. So it's all around the ceiling. We'll try to change the color. Okay, so I think I like this one better than the previous one. And you can see this certain line here, so this is where I put the plug. That is where the adapter is positioned. Actually kind of like this vibe. So let's try the other colors. That is the blue one, red, and the yellow. Color is slowly changing. So that is the quick effect. So this is my remote control. This is the Jump 7. Turn it on to slow mode, so there is quick and slow mode. Alright, so this is probably the best color that suits the mood of my room. So thank you for watching. Hope you like my vlog. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified with our upcoming videos.